Αν σου αρέσει το Sweet Bonanza και θέλεις πραγματικά να κυνηγάς πολλαπλασιαστές, τότε η νέα εφαρμογή είναι για σένα. Δοκίμασε αυτό το slot και δες ότι εδώ θα βρεις το υψηλότερο RTP, αφήνοντας πίσω σου για πάντα τα ψεύτικα και παράνομα καζίνο. Με λίγα λόγια, κατέβασε άμεσα την εφαρμογή και πάρε 1.500 ευρώ συν 150 δωρεάν περιστροφές, κυνηγώντας το μεγάλο jackpot.
This is a noise-canceling headphone review as an autistic person with noise sensitivities. I'll be reviewing the Bose Quiet Comforts, the JBL Tour 1 M3s, as well as the Sony XM5s. The Sonys were my first pair ever and I loved them for a while. I really like the way they look and the sound quality is decent. The headband is comfy, but it doesn't have the greatest grip, which can be overstimulating. It has touch technology, which is great, but the left and right symbols are so tiny and confusing for me. Call quality is good, but it tends to disconnect from Bluetooth like randomly, and noise cancelling is decent, but there are better. The Bose Quiet Comforts, in my opinion, are a 5 out of 5 on the noise cancelling front, as well as an overall sound quality and comfort. They're so light, but they stay on your head. However, they don't have touch capability, and call quality, especially if you're outside, is horrible. Alright, now the JBLs come in a very protective case, which is great if you're clumsy and drop everything like me. They are heavier than the Bose, but the squishy headband makes it really comfortable, and these don't go anywhere. These are very snug. It does have touch capability, and in terms of sound quality and noise cancelling, it's basically on par with the Bose. Call quality with this one is also a 5 out of 5. The only thing I don't like about these is how hard it is to put back in the case, but that might just be a me problem. Ultimately, for my neurodivergent needs, I would go with Bose or JBL. Pick Bose if you want lighter headphones with a wider fit and you don't take calls in noisy environments, or go with JBL if you want a more secure fit and you tend to call your bestie a lot on your hot girl walks.